Hi there, Melody from WTI. Let me tell you why I love this new fan.
The reason why I absolutely love this metal cage design, vintage kind of a looking ceiling fan, is that it's so classy looking. I love it in my bedroom, although you can put it in your kitchen, your dining room, living room, anywhere you want. I really love that this ceiling fan from the MeZeYo store comes with everything you need. You don't need to go get any other wires. Everything's all included, including the light bulbs, which was an awesome added bonus. It was pretty easy to install. My husband and I were able to do it no problem at all, removing our other one and then just attaching this one. And our son even liked to help out as he added the light bulbs and then put the little button on the bottom just to finish off the nice sophisticated look of this amazing, sweet, chic ceiling fan in our bedroom. The 4 light bulbs that are included really make sure that it has a nice bright light to it. And the fans are amazing. They reverse too. Now you can control this either through a mobile phone app or use the remote that's also included in this. You can turn everything on and off altogether. You can turn them off separately. The fan has 6 speeds and they are absolutely incredibly strong, and yet the motor is super quiet. Another feature is that there's a timer on here. So if you put it on when you go to bed, then you don't have to worry about having to shut it off in the middle of the night. The timer will turn it off, saving you energy. I think this light is absolutely gorgeous.
And that is my point of view.